But let me go and clean up the room because, like I said, it's very messy. Let me show y'all the room. Oh my god, does this how? Yeah, I know it's very ugly, very messy right now. Literally, I got two these right here, my sauce, and this is like, what is this? Oh, it's a mess. It's a mess, you know, when you have a job and clearly you don't have time to do something, but trying to, you know what, let me get something off on Amazon first because I really need a new SD card. So I'm trying to see something, but yeah, let me go do that and then we'll start cleaning. And then after that we finish cleaning, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. And then after that, cleaning my room, we can start packing my stuff for tomorrow for the shoot. Stuff that we're gonna bring for tomorrow's shoot. Like I said, this is like a secret project shoot, so I really can't talk much about it, but y'all just wait, So I'll be bringing this stuff bag, my eggy juice bag I got, and they say you are doing great. So I need to bring extra stuff for this case, you know. Oh, my bag. This bag right here. I don't think I never show y'all this bag. I don't know. I might have. But this is my bag. My sister told me to call it Helena bag from diaries or grandma bag. I don't know why. I think this bag's so cute. I got it from Marshalls or Ross. One of them. I need to start unpacking stuff, like bring extra stuff. I still got some snacks in here, which that's good, so I can bring this also. I got the typical fruit and nut. Ooh, nut. I can't. Maybe I cannot eat this peanuts. Wow. This been in my bag the whole time. I can't eat peanuts, so I had to give that to somebody. Got my AirPod. But yeah, pretty much I just want to start putting stuff in this bag and bring some extra stuff. So that's what I'm about to go do now. I did not know that camera died on me, but I got everything what I need for tomorrow. It's nothing too crazy up in here. I got my bag. This is some of the stuff in here. Really nothing much, but my little beauty bag right here. Got some snack. I got some more snack downstairs, so I'm gonna make sure to put that in it before I go. But yeah, it's really nothing too crazy in here. I'm gonna pack my of course my phone. I am really trying to think, should I film my skincare? I just want to do my face mask and 24K gold eye mask, but I'm so tired. Like I do want my face to be so clean and nice. And my mouth's too a little bit hard. I could tell that I'm kind of hard for my mouth to move. But I'm just trying to think. I'm just so tired right now. But I'm gonna go watch Jimmy Fallon with my mom because Jimin from BTS is performing tonight. So can't wait to see him. Yeah. Oh no, I feel like I'm missing something else, but I'll probably ask my mom. Am I missing something else? I mean, I'm so tired. Wait, let me cut this camera off real quick. I don't know if I might film me doing my skincare or I might not. I don't know. Maybe not, because I don't know. I really had to think about it.
Ridiculous. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's all right.
I see. Well,
She's so persuasive, that marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive, that marijuana? She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got new breasts. Feel like I need it. Rest. Well, it's the season I should let go, and that's the reason I'm about more. Well, it's the season I should fly so low. I'm so sedated, and she's so persuasive. This isolation is so sweet you could taste it. It's 8 in the morning, moonlight y'all be yawning. It's 3 in the morning, and I'm still performing. She's so persuasive. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be so persuasive? Marijuana. She's so flirtatious. How does it feel to be? How does it feel to be alive? Let me break it down till it feel right. How does it feel? I'm so alive and so damn, I'm so can't get a vibe. I wait me too, better get a line. I can't control. It's the floor. It's a paid the price. Get up off my balls, I say the nice. Get up off that wall and change your life. Take you to paradise. She's so persuasive, I never want. No, she's so flirtatious.